Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Workday. So this is a tutorial for beginners, those who are new to Workday. So here let's go to the Workday website. So this is the Workday website. You can just simply hit workday.com and you will reach this website. So here you can see this is a website for businesses, and in this website you will be able to view your finances. So basically it is a program that HR or your IT department will run it for you. So here you can see there are various options. So here on the top right hand side corner, if you click on this icon here, you will see that your IT department will send you a link which will be the company's unique sign-in page, and from there you will be able to log in and view data something like this. On picture you can see on the right hand side, you'll also be able to view something like this after going to the Workday website. So here on the left hand side, if you click on products, here you can see there are some finance products such as payrolls. So here you'll be able to view your payrolls and you'll be able to manage it from here as well. So this program basically helps businesses to function efficiently. So if we go to another options, here you can see we have financial management, spend management, financial planning, analysis and reporting as well. So if we go back, we have other options as well, such as HR, planning, industry operations and platform as well. So basically everything can be done with this web application. So that is how you will be able to use Workday. If you have an account and if you sign in, you'll be able to use it very easily. You have to contact your IT or HR department of the company that you work on. So yeah, that's it. That is how you'll be able to use Workday. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.